Dropshipping success. Building a profitable business without inventory. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we delve into innovative strategies for generating revenue and building financial independence. Dropshipping has emerged as a lucrative business model for entrepreneurs seeking to start an e-commerce venture without the hassle of managing inventory. This model allows you to sell products to customers without holding any physical stock yourself. Instead, when you make a sale, the product is directly shipped from your supplier to the customer. While dropshipping offers numerous advantages, success in this field requires careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous optimization. Here are 10 essential points to consider for building a profitable dropshipping business. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Niche selection. Selecting the right niche is crucial for dropshipping success. Instead of targeting broad categories, focus on specific niches with passionate audiences. Conduct thorough market research to identify niche opportunities with high demand and low competition. Niche selection determines your target audience, product range, and marketing strategies. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and market trends to maximize profitability. Number 9. Reliable suppliers. Establishing relationships with reliable suppliers is fundamental to the dropshipping business. Partner with trustworthy suppliers who offer quality products, competitive prices, and efficient shipping services. Conduct due diligence to verify the reputation and reliability of potential suppliers. Look for suppliers with a track record of timely order fulfillment and excellent customer service. Building strong partnerships with suppliers ensures smooth operations and enhances customer satisfaction. Number 8. Competitive pricing. Pricing plays a critical role in dropshipping profitability. Set competitive prices that attract customers while maintaining sufficient profit margins. Consider factors such as product costs, shipping fees, and market demand when pricing your products. Conduct price comparisons with competitors to ensure your prices are competitive without sacrificing profitability. Implement dynamic pricing strategies to adjust prices based on market trends and customer behavior. Number 7. Effective marketing. Effective marketing is indispensable for success in the competitive e-commerce realm. Employ a diverse range of digital marketing channels, such as social media, SEO, email marketing, and influencer collaborations, to connect with your intended audience. Craft engaging content that showcases the distinctive value of your offerings, captivating potential customers. Allocate resources to targeted advertising endeavors, leveraging data-driven approaches to broaden your visibility and stimulate conversions. This multifaceted marketing strategy maximizes your reach, resonates with your audience, and propels your dropshipping business towards sustainable growth. Number 6. Optimized website. Your website serves as the storefront of your dropshipping business, so it must be well-designed and optimized for conversions. Create a user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation, fast loading times, and mobile responsiveness. Optimize product pages with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and persuasive calls to action, CTAs. Implement secure payment gateways and streamline checkout processes to minimize cart abandonment and maximize conversions. Number 5. Customer service excellence. Providing exceptional customer service is vital for building trust and loyalty in the dropshipping business. Offer prompt and courteous support to address customer inquiries, resolve issues, and ensure a positive shopping experience. Implement live chat support, email responsiveness, and easy returns policies to enhance customer satisfaction. Solicit feedback from customers to continuously improve your products and services. Number 4. Inventory management. While dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory management, it's essential to monitor product availability and supplier performance closely. Use inventory management tools to track stock levels, monitor sales trends, and automate order processing. Maintain open communication with suppliers to prevent stockouts and minimize shipping delays. Implement contingency plans for managing inventory disruptions and sourcing alternative suppliers if necessary. Number 3. Continuous optimization. Continuous optimization is key to sustained success in the dropshipping business. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and return on investment (ROI) to identify areas for improvement. A /B tests different marketing strategies, website elements, and pricing tactics to optimize performance and maximize profitability. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt your strategies accordingly to stay ahead of the competition. Number 2. Scalability. Dropshipping scalability facilitates expansion through diverse product lines, market diversification, and optimized processes. Invest in automation and outsourcing to streamline operations, freeing resources for strategic pursuits. Reinvesting profits sustains growth and enables seizing emerging opportunities. This agile approach ensures competitiveness and evolution in the dynamic e-commerce landscape, positioning your business for long-term success. By continuously adapting to market trends and customer needs, your dropshipping venture can maintain relevance and resilience amidst industry changes. Number 1. Adaptability. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, so adaptability is essential for long-term success in dropshipping. Stay agile and responsive to changes in market conditions, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. Embrace innovation and experimentation to stay ahead of the curve and differentiate your business from competitors. Continuously seek feedback from customers and adapt your strategies to meet their evolving needs and expectations. Conclusion: building a profitable dropshipping business requires careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous optimization. By selecting the right niche, partnering with reliable suppliers, implementing effective marketing strategies, and providing excellent customer service, you can create a successful e-commerce venture without holding any inventory yourself. Stay focused, stay adaptable, and continuously strive for improvement to achieve long-term success in the dynamic world of dropshipping. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.